सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नेहरा क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome back to our shell scripting session number 10. My name is Vikas Nehra and you are watching Nehra Classes YouTube channel. Friends, in today's session, we will learn how can we perform the arithmetic operations in Bash shell script. So let's get started. So I'm going to open the script file in the VI editor, and here first I will remove everything from the file. So I'll go in the insert mode and remove everything from the file. As you know that if we mention anything after the echo command, so that's get printed on the output. So in order to perform the addition or any other operation, if we use the echo operator like this, then what will happen? I'll show you. So I'm going to save the file here. If I will execute this file, then we will not get the result of this operation. We will only get 2 plus 3 on the output like this, because whatever we mention after the echo command, that's get printed. So in order to perform the arithmetic operations, we have to follow some steps. So what are those steps? I will show you. So I will here first use the echo operator to take the input from the user. So let me mention here, please enter the first number /C, and then I will use the read operator to store the value in a variable, let us say num1. Now I will again use the echo command to take the another input, and here I will mention please enter the second number like this. Now I will again use the read operator to store it in a variable, that is num2. Now we can use the echo operator again to perform the addition like this. So here I am going to mention the sum is dollar, and here how will we perform the addition? So please have a look at this. We will use the double brackets like this. Then we will call the first variable num1, use the plus operator here, plus symbol, num2, and close the brackets like this. Again we can use the echo operator, echo command, and then we can mention here the difference is dollar, and inside the brackets we can mention here num1 minus num2. In the similar fashion we can use echo the multiplication is dollar, double bracket starts, num1 asterisk num2 brackets closed, inverted comma close. Let me close the inverted comma here as well. Now we can perform the division as well. So we can mention here the division is dollar, double bracket num1 slash num2 brackets closed, inverted comma close. And we can also perform the modulus operation for the remainder like this. So we can mention here the remainder is dollar num1 modulus operator num2. So we have mentioned the 4 operations here. Now I'm going to save this script. Now I'm going to execute it. So please have a look at the right hand side of the terminal where I'm going to execute the script. So it is asking me to enter the first number. Let's enter 20 here. It is again asking me to enter the second number. So we can mention here 4. So you can see that it is giving us the results as the sum is 24, which is absolutely correct. The difference is 16, so that is also correct. The multiplication is 80, 20 into 4 is 80, that is also correct. The division is 5, 20 divided by 4 is 5, and the remainder is 0. If we will divide 20 by 4, then we will get the remainder as 0. So our operators are working perfectly fine and we are getting the result. So in this way we can use the different operators for different arithmetic operations. Now let me take some different values here. So I'm going to execute this script one more time. This time I will take the first number as 21, this second number as 5. So here you can see that this time the remainder is 1, which is absolutely correct. Now I will show you one more method by which we can perform these arithmetic operations. In this method, we don't use the double brackets inside the operation. We use the single brackets along with expr command like this. So here what we are doing, we are using the expr command and we are calling the values of the variables and we are using the single brackets. So by this method we can perform all the operations. So let me copy and paste, it would be easier. And let me mention here we will close the brackets like this and close the quotes, and this is the operation of the difference, and in the next one we can follow the same procedure, and here we can use asterisk for the multiplication like this. In the next one we can use this slash here for the division, and in the last one we can use the modulus operator here like this. Now save the script and execute it. So please have a look at the right hand side of the terminal where I am going to execute it. Then on the execution you will find that it will give an error for the multiplication operation. So let me mention the first number as 100, the second number as 20. So you will find that it is giving us an error here for the multiplication, as I have already told you. That is happening because it is not considering this asterisk with the expr command. So for this issue we can mention the forward slash here before the asterisk in the operation and save the script again, and we will again execute it and check whether we are getting the error or not. Let me mention the first number as 100, second number as 20, and this time you will find that we are getting the result, we are not getting the error. So in order to use the asterisk along with the expr command, we need to mention the forward slash here in the operation. By these two methods we can perform the arithmetic operations in shell scripting only on the integers. In the next video I will show you how can we perform the arithmetic operations on the decimal numbers. So please keep yourself tuned in, and also like and share our videos with your friends and colleagues. And if you are new on this video, then please subscribe our channel and turn on the bell notification for the latest updates. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram. Take care.